why you're still procrastinating, and how to break free. Straight into it. Don't sleep with your phone next to you. When you sleep with your phone next to you, the first thing you do when you want to wake up in the morning and get active is pick up your phone and start scrolling on Instagram Reels, watching YouTube Shorts, watching TikToks. That is not productive if you're trying to get up and attack the day. That's not productive if you need to get up and go to the gym. That's not productive if you need to wake up early and go to work. That's not productive, period. Point blank, period. There is nothing you're going to learn on this social media that you will not learn in real life by getting out in the field and jogging. Have your phone on the opposite side of the room. That way you reach over, press snooze on the alarm and go back to bed. Make sure that you have to get up out your bed in the cold air to go and turn off that alarm, and then you're out your bed and you need to go get what you need to get done. You need to get that money, you need to get that grind, you need to get that work. You feel me? That's the beauty of the mornings. That's the morning battle right there. That's the hardest battle of the day, the morning battle. So it's one or two ways. You're gonna win, you're gonna lose. This is especially for days that you don't have to do anything. I know tomorrow is my day off. I have nothing to really do in the morning. I have training in the evenings and I have things to do, a lot of things to do in the evening. But for the morning, I haven't got to be anywhere. So for those types of days, the first thing I do when I wake up and I open my eyes, I always set my alarm. I give myself a line because I wake up very early on regular days. So my time to really get up is about 10:30, 11 a.m. The first thing I will do is get up out my bed and go straight to the shower to wake myself up. Shower, brush my teeth, and go for a nice long walk. Now, when I do that, not only am I distracting myself from the social media, but I'm also getting some good exercise and also some good sunlight. And that is waking my body up, and that's how your body needs to wake up. When you wake up in the morning, you should get some sunlight on your eyes. Yeah, through the window is different, but I mean some direct sunlight in your eyes, waking you up is the healthiest way to wake yourself up. So you're full of energy, full of life to go and attack the day. And that's what I'm saying. It's hard because most days I start work at about 5 a.m, 4 a.m. So I'm up before the sun's even up. But I am outside though. I am getting that, but I'm not getting it as soon as I wake up. So these days I like to just wake up, shower to wake myself up and go for a nice long walk. Sometimes even bring my dog with me, but my dog be pissing me off, so more time I just go on by myself. Now, I recommend all of you guys do that on your days off, on a Sunday, on a Tuesday. That's my way. That's how I like to start my days, you feel me? Before I even eat anything, I like to go get my walk in. Just go and see what I can do, socialize, see what I can find, see some new things, you feel me? I always find something new when I'm out. I'll go to the park over there, I'll go to the field over there, they got some hills over there, obviously the shop and the high streets over there. I'll just see what's about, you feel me? Like there's always something cracking on anyway, so yeah, literally just go outside and see the world. Now, go places to get things done. For example, go to the library to go do your schoolwork. Go to the library to go edit your videos. That way it's not a thing of you can really get distracted and spend an hour just doing something else or something like that. Because you know when you're doing some work or whatever and you just get distracted and you go lay on your bed watching TikToks. If you're at the library, you came here for a reason and you're going to do what you got to do. So go places to get things done. Go to the gym to work out instead of in your room, because I know you can be in your room, you might be tired, you might just do half a workout, but if you've gone to the gym, at the gym, so you might as well do your full workout. Yeah man, just literally go places to get things done. That's the easiest and healthiest way I find doing things. The hardest thing be getting there though, but once you're there, you're there. So yeah man, just do that. Set yourself up for the grind. Now, for example, I will have my laptop open for when I come home from work or come home in general, so I know I can come home, and I have my chair literally like this, so I can walk in my room, sit down and get straight to work. Or even it will be handy as well if you even had another phone to have like my phone and like my stuff set up, so I can just come, sit down, straight, pause, why for that, but I can just sit down, press record and just get to work straight away. That would be pretty cool. You guys gave me an idea. I might invest in a camera, you know. I should invest in a camera. See, I need to write that down before I forget, but yeah, I'm gonna even invest in a camera. Well, let me not talk, let me just let it happen. But yeah man, just invest in yourself to get things done. Invest in your grind, invest in your graft. You feel me, man? That's all you gotta do, for real. Now, that's all my topics done right now, but the video is only 5 minutes, so I want to keep talking and just obviously just fill up the time a little bit. But I don't want to bore you guys too much, so you guys tell me, like, should I, you know what? I'm going to end the video right here because I feel like I got my point across. And Tracy, I got one last video to do for the night. So I'm just going to end it right here. And hope you guys picked up this knowledge. You guys let me know if you're fucking my retwist though, bro. Real shit. Like, I'm jacking it. My hair's getting long. I'm getting that length now. So yeah, man. But make sure you guys do like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, all of that good stuff. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.